Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add beat on Capcut so we can synchronize our transition to the beat of the music. Here I have imported the photos that I want to edit, and I have imported a music as well. Then we're going to add beat to the music to sync the music with the transition of the photo. Let's get started. First of all, you can click on this audio until this option appear. Then I'll click again on the audio. Alright, and we can slide our screen to find the beat option. Then just tap on beat option. And here are two options for us. You can add beat manually by clicking on this add beat option, but we can also add the beat automatically by clicking on auto generate option. And I'm gonna go with this one, so I'm just gonna click on this toggle button. Alright, and now the beat has been added to our video, and we can synchronize our transition to the beat. So don't forget to click on this check mark, guys. And we can synchronize our transition to the beat. As you can see that the beat mark is the yellow dot. It's not too clear, but we are still be able to see it. Alright, just adjust the transition. Oh, I'm sorry guys, it takes a long time actually, but I'm just gonna make it fast. Alright, okay, and let's check it, guys. Okay guys, that's how we can add beat to our video on Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!